Hi, I'm Larry Lipsey, Senior Sales Manager here at INFiLED. Today we're showing our Iris series, which is also known as RS. It comes in a 2.6 pitch, and we made this product ultra lightweight due to the weight restrictions of ballrooms and convention centers, and also a way for companies to save money on transportation costs. This comes in a 500 by 500 panel and also 500 by 1,000. And the 500 by 1,000 panel weighs only 19 pounds. This product comes in our Ultra version, like many of our products, and the Ultra version also includes our Armor LED, which is 4 to 10 times more robust than a typical SMD. We have 8 pins for the LEDs rather than 4, and we also added glue on edge to strengthen the LEDs. I encourage you to come to our website at infiled.com. That's INFiLED.com.